Did you know cockroaches are one of the most useful creatures alive? Despite the fact everyone hates them. There are over 4,000 species of cockroaches worldwide, but only around 30 are actually harmful to humans. The rest? They live quietly in nature, and they're doing us a massive favor. So what exactly are they doing? Cockroaches are nature's cleanup crew. They break down decaying leaves, rotting wood, and dead animal carcasses, recycling nutrients back into the soil. Without them, organic waste would pile up far faster than most ecosystems could handle. But it goes further than that. Cockroaches feed birds, spiders, frogs, and reptiles that countless other species depend on. Some species, like the dubia cockroach, are so high in protein and low in fat, they're farmed as animal feed, and in some parts of the world as food for humans too. And science is paying close attention. Researchers are studying cockroaches for antibiotic development, tissue regeneration, and toxin detection. Their biology is so resilient that engineers are using them as inspiration for building small rescue robots capable of navigating disaster zones. A creature that has survived 300 million years, outlasted dinosaurs, adapted to every environment on Earth. Maybe they deserve a little more respect than we give them.